Namaste everyone, welcome to Yoga with Amit. I'm Amit Namdev and I wanted to make this quick tutorial about the mudra. So are you suffering from gastric? Then I would like to point out very quick mudra that will help your gas to release very quick and also have the digestion problem solved. So all you have to do, you need to take your index finger down to your palm and then after that thumb on the top, pressing it down this way. This is very good mudra for the gas. Once again, take your hand, bring your one finger, the index finger to your palm and then close it with the thumb this way and press it down. You can do it with both hands and hold that way for about 5 minutes and see how your gas problem goes away. So try it and let me know if it did help you. And if any question or comments you have, please go ahead and write me. Thank you very much for joining me at Yoga with Amit and I hope to see you in the next video. Namaste.